Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Wiggins Hair. I'm working with the HD Lace Body Wave wig. So the length of the wig is 24 and the density of the wig is 200. So the wig is actually quite full, which I really like. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed, styled, and how I got my wig to look really flat and laid, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So this is the wig we're working with today. I've bleached the knots and I've also customized the hairline just very lightly. The hair came pre-plucked actually, but I had to go in and just make the hairline look a bit more natural. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some foundation just so you know this can match my skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to use the darker shade from this, by the way. So I've got the wig on now and you guys can see how this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and install the wig now, and I'm going to be using my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond to install this wig today, guys. Guys, when I tell you this spray is so strong, you can actually keep your wig on for like at least a good 2-3 days, depending on how, you know, how much you spray on and stuff like that. I bought this when I was going to Cancun, and guys, it's so humid in Cancun. It's really hot in Cancun. So for this to hold up the test, then so I'm just gonna measure the cap around my ear and just cut off the excess lace. So now I'm going to use my melt band just to melt the lace in as much as possible, and then we're going to go from there. I'm going to go ahead and straighten the wig. I'm going to apply some argan oil hair serum, and then I'm going to use my Remington straighteners to straighten the hair. So I've literally kept the melt band on throughout the whole time I was straightening my hair. You guys can see what the lace is saying. Like, this looks really good. Okay, so as you guys can see, you can kind of see the outline from where I've cut the lace. So I'm just going to go in and spray around the perimeter of the hairline one more time. Okay, so guys, I'm done installing the wig and straightening the hair. So now I'm going to show you how to get your wig to be flat, because right now this is flat, but it's not flat enough. You guys can see there's like a little bump thing going on at the top right here. So I'm going to show you how I get my wigs to lay extremely flat. This side is fine, it's more this side that I need to work on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just hot comb all around. And when you're using the hot comb, please be careful, because you can see, I don't know if you guys can see the smoke coming out, but this shit gets really hot. So you see. So I'm literally using the side of the hot comb to like press it down. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by parting the hair into sections. And the hair feels extremely soft, by the way. And this is the body wave hair texture. And I'm also going to apply some wax stick. The wax stick I'm using is from Crown Beauty, guys. I would really recommend this wax stick. You guys know I love my Kera Care wax stick. I use that all the time. But I feel like with the Crown Beauty one, like your flyaways literally stay in place. They don't move. I feel like with the Kera Care one, it's too greasy. The grease is too much, and your flyaways, you know, they're still noticeable. But with the Crown Beauty one, I feel like everything literally stays in place. You guys can see how flat this looks, so flat, and there's no flyaways whatsoever. Guys, okay, so this is the finished look, guys, and I'm just so in love with this wig. Like I said, this wig is from Wiggins Hair, and this is their HD body wave wig, and the length of the wig is 24. So this is where the wig is up to on me. The density of the wig is 200, so the wig is actually really full, which I like. So yeah, guys, and I just love how flat and laid this wig is looking right now. Like, I'm so in love. And when it comes to the lace as well, the lace is amazing. I have nothing bad to say. Like, the lace looks really good, as you guys can see. And I tried with my baby hairs today. You guys know I'm not the best, I'm not the greatest at doing baby hairs, but I try, okay? I try. So I think this looks good. It looks good enough. So yeah, guys, so I'm gonna make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, so please make sure you check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.